this is Librarian Maggie back with another craft for you. Today we are going to get into some Valentine's Day stuff. I have a really simple DIY for you that I saw. What you're going to need is some yarn. I chose 3 different colors. You can get them at the craft store, Walmart probably, Target, and Dollar Tree. I've been working with these from Dollar Tree for a while, and I still have plenty left. And then you're going to need some kind of heart form. It doesn't have to be these, but you get these in, I think it might be a 3 or 4 pack at Dollar Tree. Or you can simply cut a heart out of cardboard, or if you have anything that's stiff and heart-shaped that you might have in your craft supply, you can use, or you can go buy these. These are hearts that I messed up with my writing, so I'm going to use these because we're going to cover it. And a scissor and some hot glue. So plug your hot glue gun in while you get the rest of your supplies ready to go. Mine's already plugged in. And you're just gonna start with one of your colors of yarn, and all we're gonna do is wrap it around the heart. The only thing I will say, if you would like to hang these up really easily later on, if you want, put a loop through it first. I'm not. I have something specific I want to use these for, but all you would do is just tie off a loop here, and it doesn't prevent you from wrapping the string around. So that's just a thought if you want to use them for that. And I'm just gonna start by putting some glue on here to hold my string, my yarn. Just be careful, of course it's gonna be hot. And you're just gonna wrap it in whatever directions you want. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight or symmetrical. And you're just going to keep doing this until your entire heart is covered. Definitely just try to get all of the, in my case, black covered. Corner is, the point is definitely very hard to get. There we go. If you want, take a look at your other side, see how it's doing. That looks pretty great. Just want to get a little more covered up on this side. And once you're getting to where you think you're pretty much, you've almost covered everything, also think about how you want your last few layers to look. If you don't want it to be You know, if you want it to look a certain way. And I think I'm going to stop there. It's pretty well covered. And I'm going to cut myself a little bit extra here. And you're just going to tie it off. Just slip it under another piece there. Pull it nice and tight. Make sure it's knotted really well. And then you're just going to cut your excess off as close as you can. And you're all done. That can be the back of your heart if you want. Or the other thing you can do if you'd like is if you have other embellishments, you can add to it and cover it up. Dollar Tree also has these cute little hearts. They are felt stickers, so they're adhesive. And they come 26 in a pack. So if you wanted, I'm not going to, I like mine plain, but I'm just going to show you. You could just peel this backing off and then just stick it to the middle. So you can jazz it up any way you like, or just leave them plain, hang them up as a decoration, or leave them on a tiered tray or your table. And there you have it. I'm going to make a few more in other colors, and I'll show you how they came out. I hope you liked this fun and easy craft, and I will see you guys in our next video.